Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, I am here with the grade 5 textbook Madhuban Saral Hindi Pathmala. Chapter number is 12 and the chapter name is समय बहुत ही मूल्यवान है. The meaning of समय is time. बहुत ही means very. मूल्यवान means valuable or precious. Precious. The whole meaning time is very valuable or time is very precious. Now let's start. पठन पूर्व means pre-reading. चार्ट पेपर पर अपनी दिनचर्या लिखो. चार्ट पेपर पर means on the chart paper. दिनचर्या means daily routine. लिखो means write. WRITE. The meaning write your daily routine on a chart paper और बताओ and tell और एंड मेंशन कि कितना समय पढ़ाई में देते हो और कितना समय अन्य कार्य में. पढ़ाई मीन्स स्टडीज, कितना समय मीन्स हाउ मच टाइम, अन्य कार्य मीन्स अदर एक्टिविटीज. द होल मीनिंग एंड मेंशन हाउ मच टाइम यू गिव टू स्टडीज एंड हाउ मच टाइम टू अदर एक्टिविटीज. नाउ द पोएम स्टार्ट्स. चला गया जो समय लौटकर कभी नहीं फिर आता. चला गया जो समय मीन्स द टाइम दैट हैज पास्ड. लौट कर कभी नहीं फिर आता. नेवर रिटर्न्स अगेन. द होल मीनिंग द टाइम दैट हैज पास्ड नेवर रिटर्न्स अगेन. नेक्स्ट लाइन. सदा समय को खोने वाला कर मल मल पछताता. सदा मीन्स ऑलवेज. पछताना, द मीनिंग ऑफ पछताना मीन्स रिग्रेट. The whole meaning, the one who wastes time keeps regretting later. जिसने इसे न माना उसको इसने भी ठुकराया. जिसने इसे भी ना माना means the one who does not value it. उसको इसने भी ठुकराया means it ends up losing it. The whole meaning, the one who does not value it ends up losing it. लाख यत्न करने पर भी हाथ न उसके आया. यत्न, the meaning of यत्न means efforts. हाथ न उसके आया means we cannot get it again. The whole meaning, even after making many efforts, it cannot be regained. 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 Next line. हो जाता है एक घड़ी के लिए जन्म भर रोना means एक घड़ी के लिए. The meaning of एक घड़ी के लिए means for even a moment. For even a moment. जन्म भर रोना. जन्म भर रोना means जन्म भर means for the whole life. रोना means cry. The whole meaning, losing even a moment can make one regret for a lifetime. समय बहुत ही मूल्यवान है, व्यर्थ कभी मत खोना. समय बहुत ही मूल्यवान है means time is very valuable. व्यर्थ means waste. कभी मत खोना means don't lose it. The whole meaning, time is very valuable. Never waste it. Let me recall. Time is very valuable. That is the meaning of the title of the poem. Now, the time that has passed never returns again. The one who wastes time keeps regretting later. The one who does not value it ends up losing it. Even after making many efforts, it cannot be regained. Losing even a moment can make one regret for a lifetime. Time is very valuable, never waste it. Now next stanza. धन खो जाता श्रम करने से फिर मनुष्य है पाता. धन खो जाता. The meaning of धन is wealth. खो जाता means is lost. श्रम means hard work. मनुष्य means human. पाता means gets again or regains. The whole meaning, lost wealth can be earned again through hard work. स्वास्थ्य बिगड़ जाने पर उपचारों से है बन जाता. स्वास्थ्य means health. उपचार means treatment. The whole meaning, if health is lost, it can be restored with treatment. Next line. विद्या खो जाती फिर भी पढ़ने से है आ जाती. विद्या means knowledge. खो जाती means lost. फिर भी पढ़ने से means if you study again, Ajati means it can be regained. The whole meaning, if knowledge is lost, it can be regained by studying again. Next line, लेकिन खो जाने से मिलती नहीं समय की थाती. लेकिन means but, खो जाने से means if you lose it, नहीं मिलती means we don't get. समय की थाती, the meaning of थाती is asset, ASSET, means again this is kind of wealth. The meaning, but once time is lost, it can never be recovered. Next line, जीवन भर भटको छानो दुनिया का कोना कोना. जीवन भर means for the lifetime. Bhatko means wander, WANDER. Dunya means world, WORLD. Kona means everywhere. The whole meaning, you may wander the whole world searching everywhere. समय बहुत ही मूल्यवान है, व्यर्थ कभी मत खोना. Means time is very valuable, never waste it. Let me repeat one more time in English only. Lost wealth can be earned, EARNED, again through hard work. If health is lost, it can be restored with treatment. If knowledge is lost, it can be regained by studying again. But once time is lost, it can never be recovered. You may wander the whole world searching everywhere, but lost time will never be found. Time is very valuable, never waste it. Next. रहती थी बापू की कटी में हरदम घड़ी लटकती. Kati, the meaning of kati is waist, WAIST, waist. Ghadi means clock. The whole meaning, around the Gandhiji's waist a clock always hung. उन्हें एक क्षण की बर्बादी थी, अत्यधिक खटकती. The meaning of खटकना is means if something is troubling us, so we can say हाँ कि वो चीज़ मुझको खटक रही है. एक क्षण means even a single moment. बर्बादी, the meaning of बर्बादी is waste, WASTE. The whole meaning, even a single moment's waste would trouble him deeply. बच्चों, तुम भी उसी भांति पल पल से लाभ उठाओ. बच्चों means children. लाभ उठाओ means basically the meaning of लाभ उठाना is to be benefited, but here the meaning is like you should utilize every moment wisely. उसी भांति means like that or in the same way, in the same manner. The whole meaning, children, to make use of every moment wisely. व्यर्थ न जाए कभी एक क्षण, ऐसा नियम बनाओ means make a rule like this. व्यर्थ ना जाए means it should not be a waste. The whole meaning, children, to make use of every moment wisely, you should also learn from him and make it a rule in life. Now let me say one more time both the lines together. Children, learn from him and make it a rule in your life to make use of every moment wisely. गांठ बांध लो, नहीं पड़ेगा तुम्हें कभी दुख ढोना. गांठ बांध लो means if you do this, नहीं पड़ेगा कभी तुम्हें दुख ढोना means you will never have to face sorrow. दुख means sorrow, pain. समय बहुत ही मूल्यवान है, व्यर्थ कभी मत खोना. Time is very valuable, never waste it. Let me recall the same stanza one more time. In Gandhiji's waist, a clock always hung, HUNG hung. Even a single moment's waste would trouble him deeply. Children, learn from him and make it a rule in your life to make use of every moment wisely. If you do this, you will never have to face sorrow. Time is very valuable, never waste it. The poet of this poem is Hari Krishna Dev Sare. Now this poem is over, children. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.